Welcome to my channel. Nighthawk App Not Working. Reasons: Nighthawk App Not Working. Your device is not compatible with Netgear Nighthawk app. You have turned on the low data mode in your mobile. You haven't updated the Netgear Nighthawk app in a long while. Your Wi-Fi or mobile data is not working properly. There may be a glitch or a bug in the Netgear Nighthawk app. Netgear Nighthawk server is down. How to fix Netgear Nighthawk app not working? Check for stable internet connection. Try closing and reopening Netgear Nighthawk app. Check Netgear Nighthawk server is down or not. Log out and log in into Netgear Nighthawk app. Clear Netgear Nighthawk app cache. Disable battery saving mode. Delete and reinstall Netgear Nighthawk app. Update Netgear Nighthawk app to latest version. Disable VPN. Hard reboot your device. Thanks for watching.